Do your time management skills seriously suck as a musician? Bobby Borg here, aka Coach, helping you turn your passion for music into a more successful business. In the last 30 years, I've drummed for the multi-platinum groups Warrant, wrote several music business books published by Billboard, and lectured at top universities like USC Thornton. A student recently jumped on a Zoom with me to ask me about time management skills. Here's her question, and here's my answer.
Hey Bobby, we as independent artists have a lot of stuff to do. What tips do you have in terms of time management?
Okay. That's a really important question, and that's great. And the way that musicians can take more control of their time is by literally accounting for every minute of your time. And I have really 5 different steps that you can think about. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make a list of all the things that are the most important in your life right now. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to prioritize those things from most important, maybe to least important. So for example, at the top of your list, most important, if you're a student, let's just say of music business, you might say, hey, I want to get the most for my investment. So making sure that I get to all my classes and doing all of the homework that I need to do is top priority right now. Then second priority might be, as an artist, I need to practice my craft of songwriting and recording, and then of promoting. And with promoting comes making your TikTok videos and your YouTube videos, etc. Third level, which really should be first level, is your health. So going to sleep, getting enough sleep, eating well, exercising. Fourth might be religion, going to church. Fifth might be just hanging out, chilling, and having a little fun time for partying, right? Then once you do that, number 3, the third step is to now start inserting all of this stuff literally into a time calendar. So for example, you can list out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 8 o'clock all the way to whatever, 12 at night. And what you do is you start inserting this stuff in. You know exactly when you're going to sleep, exactly when you're waking up, you know exactly when you're going to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You know exactly when you're going to work out. All of it is scheduled. Put it in a way where you're going to maximize your time the best. So for example, if you're a student that's coming in on the train into the city to take classes, that might be the time also where you say, I'm going to read chapters for my classes. So you're not just sitting there looking at the trees going by, When I was a student at Berklee College of Music, I used to do double bass drum rolls with my feet, while I actually did homework on the snare drum. So this way you're maximizing your time. Then the fourth step is committing to the schedule, like your life depends on it. In other words, you're not going to let anything get in the way. That alarm clock hits at 8 o'clock in the morning and bam, you are up like a firecracker. You have your breakfast, you sit down, maybe answer some emails, then you hit an hour exercise, you take a shower, you go over to your classes, you come back, you rest a little bit, then you make your TikTok videos, and nobody is going to get in your way. Not your friend. Hey, it's happy hour, Bobby. Nope, I'm not answering the door. The phone, ring, Nope, I'm not going to actually do that. I'm putting my phone away and I'm going to commit to this. And then finally, the last step is going to be reevaluating your schedule, actually, because obviously things change every couple months or whatever. So you reevaluate it. Now, the interesting thing about all this is that when you have your schedule and you put in all the things that are important to you and you time it all out, you're going to realize that you actually have more time than you ever thought. There's going to be little pockets of time here and there where if you need to be in the case of emergency, you can be a little bit flexible and shift things around if you had to, right? But the reason why everybody always feels like their time is out of control is because they don't have control of it. And they're running around like sort of a chicken going, oh, what do I need to do next? Or what do I need to do next? But when you plan it out, you will see that you have way, way more control of your time.
Hey, do you want to jump on a Zoom and ask me a question? Leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Peace.